This is my week 3 assignment, and it's in regards to upper body, core, and lower body. So I chose for my lower body the wall sits. They're isometric strength exercise targeting the sartorius, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, rectus abdominis, external obliques, gluteus maximus, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, biceps femoris, gastrocnemius, and the soleus. 20 minutes a day will tone the lower muscles, core, and help to lose body fat. The only equipment needed is just a flat wall. Start with your back against the wall, making sure you tighten the abdominal muscles. Plant your feet 2 feet in front so your knees do not go beyond your toes. Slide into a sitting position with the knees at a 90-degree angle. Contract your abdominal muscles and hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Now, if you can go longer, if you're more advanced in this, you can do 60 up to 2 minutes on this particular exercise. And then you want to relax for about 30 seconds and then repeat 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 repetitions. My next one, the core, is the planks. Planks target the entire core, which include the rectus abdominis, external obliques, biceps brachii, gluteus maximus, semitendinosus, gastrocnemius, and the soleus. Again, no equipment is necessary. You lie flat on the floor like you're going to perform a push-up. For those more advanced, you do not have to keep your, you can push up like you're really doing a standard push-up. If you're not that advanced, keep your elbows on the floor and then lift your body and hold in a flat position. Think of yourself as though you're a bench or a bench seat. Keep your muscles, contract your abdominal muscles, keep your body straight. Do not keep your behind in the air. It should be flat as well, straight. Hold for 60 seconds, relax for 30, and there again 2 to 3 repetitions. Each time you do a next repetition, try to hold another 5 seconds. When you start shaking, you really should kind of just let go and relax. As you build these up, as you increase your time, you will build your muscles more. My third and last one, upper body, are the overhead triceps extension. These build the triceps and biceps brachii, the teres major, the rear deltoid, and abdominal muscles, which are the rectus abdominis and the external obliques. Because again on this, you should hold in your abdominal muscles while you're doing this exercise. You hold the end of a dumbbell or a weight, sit on the edge of a chair or a bench. You raise your arms over your head, keeping your elbows pointing to the ceiling, so that you get the full contraction of this exercise. You raise your arms, keeping the elbows pointed up, contract your triceps as you're lowering the weight, which you can also contract your biceps too, and that helps you build both front and back of your arms. A tip for this would be to keep your elbows close to your ears, maintain a good posture, and if need be, brace your back against the bench or the chair. And this exercise can be performed either one arm or both arms together. Now I will demonstrate the positions of each of those individual exercises, starting with the lower body and the wall sits, going into the core with the plank, with the elbows on the floor, and ending with the tricep extension sitting in a chair. It's the wall sit. You slide down, keep your back pressed against the wall, and you act like you're in a sitting position. You hold as long as you can, 30 to 45 seconds, and then you release. Oh, come back up. Oh, I'm a little out of shape. You come back up, and then you slide back down, and you want to have 2 to 3 repetitions of that 3 to 5 times a week. Stop it. This is a plank for someone who is not very good at exercise at this point in time, but you want to make sure you keep your back, your head, and your body in a flat position like you're a table. Keep your stomach muscles tight and hold as long as you can. For more advanced people, you want to try to hold for 1 to 2 minutes. For those of us who are not, hold as long as you can until you start shaking and then let go.